Hey guys, welcome to this quick video on the benefits of using funnels, not only ClickFunnels, but just funnels that of course we will create and provide you with ClickFunnels, how this will help you boost your organic rankings on Amazon, the Amazon marketplace. So I have three reasons for this. I'm going to explain really quickly. Now this is of course just added bonus, right? If you do everything correctly in terms of setting up your product with the right keywords, then this is definitely going to be like, icing on the cake from using funnels. So the first thing is it will dramatically increase conversion rates. Now, let's say, for example, that I was looking for a brand new. So let's say that I'm a customer looking for or actually a potential customer looking for a brand new microphone. So I'm on Amazon here and I've just typed in the keyword microphone and I'm looking at all of these different listings. And of course, I'm only going to buy one, but I want to check the characteristic, right? The features of each microphone. So what I'm very likely to do is open a bunch of these, in my price range, take a look, read them, and then buy one. Now, for all but one of these listings, I will not be purchasing. And frankly, you should know this by now, but conversion rates is the number one, one of the most important ranking factors for Amazon. If your product converts well, of course, they want to rank it to the top because it's making them as well as you money. And so you're going to be able to avoid all of these those half-assed views, I like to call them, where someone is looking at your product but not necessarily being interested in that product. When you create a funnel, you get people first off pre-sold on your product, and you get only clicks that have managed to get all the way down the funnel. So you might get less clicks, even though of course we're talking about buying traffic here, so you get as many clicks as you want. But those clicks are going to be worth much more, and so on average it's going to increase the conversion rate of your product, and guess what, it's going to do you wonders for your ranking. Also, if you're able to build lists with your funnel, which you should be, and sell related offers back to some of your Amazon products, you're of course going to get a higher conversion rates than most clicks on Amazon. So that's the first reason, probably the most powerful. So secondly, it will dramatically reduce bounce rates. So bounce rates, of course, being the number of people that head to your product and then instantly bounce back, right? They stay for 20 seconds and then they'll leave. Now, this is going to be because people are either going to buy as soon as they land on the page, or because they will be pre-sold on the product, which means that they'll actually be willing to take a look at the features, at the price, at the shipping options, and you're not going to get any of those clicks where someone heads to your product and then suddenly hits the back button after seeing a couple images, right? So of course you're going to get those from organic traffic here, but we're talking about boosting your organic traffics with funnels. And number three, it will allow you to test product pages variables. So what you can do, instead of simply putting your product up, selecting images, putting it up, crossing your fingers and hope it does well, is use ClickFunnels split test features. As explained previously in the course, what this is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to determine which images work best, what keywords work best, what descriptions work best, even what price works best. And with that information, you're going to be able to optimize your listing on Amazon pretty much as soon as you put it up. You're not going to start with a listing that's suboptimal and have to work your way up. You'll actually start with a listing that's already converting very well and giving you a head start on your competition.